Hello children, welcome to your English class. In today's class we are going to see an interesting story. So before moving into the story, let us revise what we have learned in our previous class. Okay, in the last class we have completed our book back exercise which is given in page number 93. So the first topic is that fill in the blanks with A, E, I, O, U. So as I already taught you, so there are 5 vowels in English language. They are A, E, I, O, U and 21 consonants. Okay, so altogether we have 26 alphabets in English language. And second one, add no, some and every to the word body. So to make new words, so we are going to add some sort of words to make another set of words. What are they? Nobody, somebody, everybody. So these are the words we are going to add and we'll get a new word. Okay, the third part is, as you already know, by using Mr. and Mrs. Okay, by using Mr. and Mrs. Usually, Mr. where we'll use Mr. So if the person is masculine, okay, for example your father, if you are mentioning about your father, so you will use Mr. Dinesh. For example, I am saying, so if your father name is Dinesh, you can use, so my father name is Mr. Dinesh. So for example, Mrs. where will you use Mrs.? So in front of your mom name. So married women. So we'll use Mrs. Sneha. So you can write your mother name. So write your father name as Simadit. So the last class we have completed, right? So in order to add even more respect, so we have to add Mr. in front of your father's name, Mrs. in front of your mother's name. So again you can write Mr. and Mrs. in front of your uncle, aunt name, etc. Okay, so this will add respectfulness and it will improve your standard. Okay, got it children? So that's all. So we have completed this exercise in our previous class. Today we are moving into a new sort of lesson. So it's full of imagination and there are so many fantasy things are there. So for that you should take page number 96. So the title of the lesson is Curly Locks and the 3 Bears. Okay, Curly Locks and the 3 Bears. So first, before moving into the line by line explanation, so I will explain you the gist of this story. This story is about a naughty girl. Okay, so her name is Curly Locks. Why she have the name as Curly Locks? The reason behind that is she is having a curly hair. Can you see the picture? Yes, she is having a curly hair. Okay, curly means surta mudi. Okay, so she is having curly hair. So her name is Curly Locks. What happens? She will not sit in one place. She will roam here and there. So as she is roaming here and there, she went into the forest near her house. So she went into the forest. There she find a cottage. What is meant by cottage? Cottage means small house. Okay, cottage. So she went inside the house. Okay, so this house belongs to a bear family. Okay, here you can find the 3 bears, Mama, Papa and the young one. Okay, she entered into the house. She ate all the porridge. Okay, porridge means kanji. Okay, so she ate all the porridge. You can see the picture. She drank it and after drinking that porridge, she is very tired and she went into the bedroom of the bears and there she took rest. Okay, so as soon as the bear entered into the house, they came to see this girl. So then suddenly she woke up and she run out of the house. So this is the gist of the story. So this is the story is all about. And next we'll move with a line by line explanation of this story. Okay, so we'll start with a line by line explanation. Okay children, so kindly listen the lines, because each and every word is very important, the meaning of the word is important, and you should practice reading this story. So that is also very important. So that's why I'm asking you to listen the story. So listen the subtitle of the story. I'm going to share you with the animation, okay, animated image with the subtitle. So listen that carefully. So now we can see the story, Curly Locks and the Three Bears. Okay, once there was a girl with curly hair. Okay, her name was Curly Locks. She has a curly hair and her name was Curly Locks. One day she went into the forest near her house. So she went into the forest. Okay, so she saw a cottage, as I already told you, a small house. Is anybody in? She asked. She asked if anybody is there. There was nobody. There was nobody in that cottage. Okay, the bear family lived in the cottage. These three bears, okay, lived in the cottage. They had gone for a walk. They gone for a walk. Curly Locks went inside the house. Okay, she wanted to see who lived there. Okay, she wanted to see the house. She saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. Okay, this is porridge, kanji. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear. Okay, big bowl for Father Bear. Middle size bowl for Mama Bear. Middle one for Mother. Okay, tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. Tiny bowl for Baby Bear. Okay, Curly Locks was very hungry. She was very hungry. She ate the porridge from the big bowl. Okay, she took the big bowl and she ate the porridge. It was very hot. You can see the picture. It was very hot. She ate from the middle size. So it was too cold. First one was hot, second one was very cold, and she ate from the tiny little bowl. Okay, she took the tiny little bowl. It was just right. Okay, it was okay for her. Okay, she ate everything. She ate all the porridge. Okay, now she went to the bedroom. So in order to take rest, she went into the bedroom. There was a big bed for Papa Bear. Big bed for Papa Bear is there. Middle size for Mama Bear. Middle size bed for Mama Bear. And tiny little bed for Baby Bear. Okay, tiny bed for Baby Bear. Okay, the big bed was very hot. Big bed is very hot. It's not comfortable. The middle one was too soft. She is not comfortable. And the tiny little bed was just okay. So she went there and she took rest in that tiny bed. Okay, so at last what happened? This bear family, okay, they came back. Okay, so then they entered into the house. Somebody ate my porridge, shouted Papa Bear. So they were very shocked. Somebody has come inside, they ate the porridge. Okay, the same dialogue was repeated by Mama Bear also. Okay, somebody was eating my porridge. Mama Bear replied. Okay, somebody finished all my porridge. So the baby bear also was very shocked. Okay, so it replied in a tiny voice. Okay, so then what happened? The bear family went to the bedroom. So now they are going inside their bedroom. Somebody slept in my bed. Okay, Papa Bear said, somebody was slept in my bed. I don't know who they are. Okay, the same dialogue was again repeated by Mama Bear. Okay, somebody slept in my bed too. Okay, so somebody slept in my bed. So replied by Mama Bear, somebody slept in my bed. So the baby bear also say the same thing. Okay, so what happened now? So now Curly Locks woke up. She saw the three bears. She was very shocked. Okay, she was afraid of seeing them. She jumped down and ran out of the cottage. She jumped down from the bed and quickly she ran out of the cottage. So that was the
ran
story.
out of the cottage. So that was the end of the story. So I hope you enjoyed the story. So this was actually an interesting story. Okay, so your homework is that you are going to read the story. Okay, so read the story fully. If you have any doubt regarding the meanings or regarding the pronunciation, I don't know how to pronounce this word, just take your pencil, underline those words, and when you are coming to next class you can ask your doubt. So your homework is that you are going to read the story fully. So if you do that, it will improve your reading skill. So that's all about today's class, children. Kindly go through the stories as well as underline the hard words which is given in this story. So then you can find the answer. Okay, thank you.